Pike push ups are a push up variation that takes a bit of inspiration from handstand push ups. So what you're going to do is get yourself in a push up position and then walk those feet forward into a pike position like so, with the hips up nice and high. Look at the ground, lower yourself down towards it and try and get your nose to touch, and then push up and back. So it is still a push-up variation, it's not an overhead press, but we are going to be getting a lot more shoulder movement and shoulder involvement in the exercise than we normally would for a push-up. So same deal here if you have the regressed version where we have our hands up on a box or a couch or whatever you have available. So just control down, light touch with the nose, and then pushing up and back. You also have the option on these if you need to progress it a bit further than the ground, of putting your feet up on that box or couch, down to the ground, pushing up and back. So that's if you need to make it a bit more difficult for yourself. Remember with the pike push-up, guys, that the key is to make sure your shoulders are feeling like they're working, but they should also feel comfortable. See here how as I come down, the elbows are still coming relatively close towards the hips there. I'm not splaying them right out to the side. Now what that's going to do is it's going to keep the shoulder in a comfortable position internally in the joint there. If you feel any clicking, any grinding, any pain, you should be stopping this straight away, potentially having someone have a look at how you're actually getting the movement done. We need to be as controlled and smooth as possible, making sure it feels like you're working, but it still feels comfortable, and putting yourself at whatever level of difficulty or intensity is actually going to be appropriate for you and get the best out of yourself here. And that is the pike push-up.